Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about everything hummingbird feeder and hummingbirds. A little background on this little bird. They are among the smallest of birds, measuring only 7.5 to 13 centimeter in length. They belong to family Trochilidae. They are known as hummingbirds because of the humming sound created by their beating wings, which flap at high frequencies audible to humans. Benefits of hummingbird. Hummingbirds can pollinate flowers that can't be reached by other birds. They don't have the disadvantage of a small beak or large body when it comes to spreading pollen. They have small bodies and long beaks. This makes it easier to grow long, tube flowers that need pollination. They eat frequently, not only nectar, but also insects and pollen. Their fast heartbeats and breathing require a lot of food. So with a good number of birds, you will have some natural assistance with certain small pests. This is my hummingbird feeder. I bought it from dollar store for $1 only. The other places where you can buy this one is Walmart, Amazon, and Target. They sell it from ranging from $4 to $20. The recipe for making nectar for hummingbird. It is basically a sugar water which has 1 part of sugar and 4 parts of water, which is 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of water. Please do not add any extra sugar, preservative, artificial sweeteners or honey. Use white granulated sugar only. Boil the water until sugar is dissolved completely. Allow the mix to cool down completely before filling the feeder. Wash feeders and change the mix at least twice a week, especially in hot weathers. A few things to note here. Change the mix immediately if you notice it becoming cloudy or developing molds. This is how the feeder opens to fill the mix. At the bottom, you'll see a red base with yellow flowers from where the hummingbird will sip the nectar. Open that and fill up the bottle with the nectar. Here is mine with hummingbirds sipping nectar from it. So exciting! And here is a small video. So exciting! It's sipping nectar. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video and will start feeding these little beautiful hummingbirds. Contribute your share to protect and preserve the nature. If you have any questions, comments or concerns, please put it down in the comment box. Thank you so much.